You gotta shake it. Say, Pepper. Shake it. That's right. Pepper. Let's see. Cheese. There you go. And get Pepper one scoop. Put it in her food. Be careful with it. Go all the way down low. Good job. And give her 2 scoops. Okay. Got it. Go all the way down low. Oh, good job. Yay! Want to give her some water? Nope, you can't have that. I like to hit people with it. Come here. Let's get Pepper some water. Use my baking mist. Okay, here we go. Here. Careful, don't spill it. That's for Pepper. Bring it over here. Careful. Come pour it in Pepper's bowl. Put it in there. All the way. Careful. Good job. And give Pepper a kiss. Say, here you go, Pepper. Be nice to her and give her a kiss. Very good. Yeah, you always be nice to Pepper. Good job, baby. Kiss Pepper. Did you spill some? Did it come out of your mouth? Yeah? Here. Good job. Thank you. You swallow your water. Okay, that's enough.